Hi guys, so today we're gonna be using some fidget toys. As you can see, fidget spinner, this, some more fidget spinners and blah blah blah. So yeah, we're gonna be timing the fidget spinners. And I guess you didn't already know this is LED, as you can see. So we're gonna get right into timing this one. So 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so 24 seconds. Don't know why I actually said 25, but yeah. Lights gonna flip off. There we go. Lights are all off, as you can see. This fidget spinner. So this 2-prong one here. This one is gonna be the next timed one. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 72 seconds this thing spun for. So, now we're getting on to this one. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds, okay. Now this one. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds again. Alright, last fidget spinner, this one. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85 seconds, guys. 85 seconds. So, yeah, that is all the fidget spinners. I don't need to dare think I forgot about this. Basically, we're just going to be showing you what this does. Like how to sort of do it. So you do 2 fingers, go like that, and then dang it, sorry. Yeah, alright. I think let's just start it closer to the camera. Basically, 2 fingers on it, dang it. On it like that, and then dang it. on it. Basically that's what it's meant to do. So I don't know what we got. Say so. Yeah, that's basically how it's used. So guys, that's the end of the video here. Hope you all you guys enjoyed. Make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the like button. Can we smash 20 likes? I mean, like, it's crazy because I don't even have much subscribers. Push! Right guys, so I'll see y'all in the next one. I know I said peace there, but yeah. Peace!